Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which character did Idris Elba play in the TV series The Wire? Is it A. Jesse Pinkman, B. Stringer Bell, or C. Sherlock Holmes? It is B. Stringer Bell. What is the capital of Honduras? Is it A. Managua, B. Tegucigalpa, or C. San Salvador? It is B. Tegucigalpa. In which book series does Gandalf serve as a key wizard character? Is it A. The Chronicles of Narnia, B. The Lord of the Rings, or C. Harry Potter? It is B. The Lord of the Rings. What type of food is ramen? Is it A. bread, B. rice, or C. noodles? It is C. noodles. What is the main purpose of camouflage in nature? Is it A. communication, B. attraction, or C. concealment? It is C. concealment. What is the main superpower of the character known as the Flash? Is it A. telepathy, B. super speed, or C. super strength? It is B. super speed. Where is Ramallah located? Is it A. West Bank, B. Gaza Strip, or C. Israel? It is A. West Bank. What is excessive nasal discharge? Is it A. rhinorrhea, B. congestion, or C. wheezing? It is A. rhinorrhea. Which novel is Mary Shelley best known for writing? Is it A. Pride and Prejudice, B. Wuthering Heights, or C. Frankenstein? It is C. Frankenstein. What biological process is primarily influenced by circadian rhythm? Is it A. digestion efficiency, B. blood pressure regulation, or C. sleep-wake cycle? It is C. sleep-wake cycle. What is the capital city of Eswatini? Is it A. Manzini, B. Mbabane, or C. Lobamba? It is B. Mbabane. What subatomic particles have almost no mass and travel close to the speed of light? Is it A. neutrons, B. neutrinos, or C. electrons? It is B. neutrinos. Which philosopher is most commonly associated with the development of existentialism? Is it A. Friedrich Nietzsche, B. Jean-Paul Sartre, or C. Sigmund Freud? It is B. Jean-Paul Sartre. What network does The Morning Show primarily air on? Is it A. NBC, B. Apple TV+, or C. CBS? It is B. Apple TV+. What is the main belief of deism regarding the existence of God? Is it A. God communicates with humans, B. God is part of nature, or C. a creator does not intervene? It is C. a creator does not intervene. In thermodynamics, what does the term entropy primarily measure? Is it A. temperature, B. energy, or C. disorder? It is C. disorder. What technique is CRISPR primarily used for in genetic research? Is it A. DNA sequencing, B. gene editing, or C. protein synthesis? It is B. gene editing. What is the main purpose of translation in language studies? Is it A. editing videos, B. writing poetry, or C. converting text from one language to another? It is C. converting text from one language to another. What is Figma primarily used for in design? Is it A. interface design, B. photo editing, or C. video animation? It is A. Interface design. Which province in Canada is Baie des Chaleurs located in? Is it A. Quebec, B. New Brunswick, or C. Nova Scotia? It is A. Quebec. What annual tennis tournament features a doubles finals match? Is it A. Wimbledon, B. US Open, or C. Australian Open? It is A. Wimbledon. What primary function does the MyFitnessPal app serve? Is it A. Meditation guidance, B. Calorie tracking, or C. Music streaming? It is B. Calorie tracking. What is the main festival that is celebrated during Diwali in India? Is it A. New Year celebration, B. Harvest festival, or C. Festival of Lights? It is C. Festival of Lights. What dance form is commonly featured in classical music compositions and is typically slow and stately? Is it A. Gavotte, B. Waltz, or C. Capriccio? It is B. Waltz. What mythical event is associated with the phoenix bird's life cycle? Is it A. Flight, B. Transformation, or C. Rebirth? It is C. Rebirth. Which church did King Henry VIII establish in England? Is it A. Church of England, B. Catholic Church, or C. Orthodox Church? It is A. Church of England. What event brought the United States and the Soviet Union to the brink of nuclear war in 1962? Is it A. Cuban Missile Crisis, B. Bay of Pigs invasion, or C. Korean War? It is A. Cuban Missile Crisis. Which film did Lupita Nyong'o win an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress? Is it A. 12 Years a Slave, B. Black Panther, or C. Us? It is A. 12 Years a Slave. Which popular song featuring Michael Jackson is on Drake's album Scorpion? Is it A. Don't Matter, B. God's Plan, or C. In My Feelings? It is A. Don't Matter. Which part of Africa is the African lion primarily found in? Is it A. Jungle, B. Desert, or C. Savanna? It is C. Savanna. What type of molecular interaction is characterized by the attraction between polar molecules due to their dipoles? Is it A. Van der Waals force, B. Hydrogen bonding, or C. Dipole-dipole interaction? It is C. Dipole-dipole interaction. What is Anadyr known for being the administrative center of? Is it A. Chukotka Autonomous Okrug, B. Arkhangelsk Oblast, or C. Kamchatka Krai? It is A. Chukotka Autonomous Okrug. What is the primary function of skeletal muscle in the human body? Is it A. Digestion, B. Movement, or C. Circulation? It is B. Movement. What is the official language of Monaco? Is it A. French, B. Italian, or C. Spanish? It is A. French. What type of content is Smosh primarily known for? Is it A. Comedy videos, B. Gaming streams, or C. Cooking tutorials? It is A. Comedy videos. Which ancient king is famous for creating one of the largest empires in history? Is it A. Julius Caesar, B. Alexander the Great, or C. Genghis Khan? It is B. Alexander the Great. Which philosophical concept is Friedrich Nietzsche famous for promoting, particularly in relation to the idea of individualism and the rejection of traditional morality? Is it A. Utilitarianism, B. Social contract, or C. Will to power? It is C. Will to power. What is the capital city of North Korea? Is it A. Seoul, B. Pyongyang, or C. Beijing? It is B. Pyongyang. Which famous landmark is located in Prague, Czech Republic? Is it A. Colosseum, B. Eiffel Tower, or C. Charles Bridge? It is C. Charles Bridge. What is Francis Crick best known for discovering? Is it A. DNA structure, B. RNA synthesis, or C. cell theory? It is A. DNA structure. What are Saturn's rings primarily composed of? Is it A. rock formations, B. ice particles, or C. gas clouds? It is B. ice particles. Which civilization was predominantly involved in the Punic Wars against Rome? Is it A. Greece, B. Carthage, or C. Persia? It is B. Carthage. What is the name of the director who helmed the film Titanic, released in 1997? Is it A. Steven Spielberg, B. James Cameron, or C. Peter Jackson? It is B. James Cameron. What was the main outcome of the Munich Agreement signed in 1938? Is it A. establishing peace in Poland, B. ceding of Czechoslovakia's Sudetenland, or C. formation of the Axis powers? It is B. ceding of Czechoslovakia's Sudetenland. Which country does the Mekong River flow through, known for its vast delta region? Is it A. Vietnam, B. Thailand, or C. Laos? It is A. Vietnam. In which city is the Sapporo Snow Festival held annually? Is it A. Tokyo, B. Sapporo, or C. Osaka? It is B. Sapporo. What is a common algorithm used in machine learning for classification tasks? Is it A. fast Fourier transform, B. linear regression, or C. decision tree? It is C. decision tree. What is the capital city of St. Kitts and Nevis? Is it A. Basseterre, B. Georgetown, or C. Roseau? It is A. Basseterre. Which famous Canadian city is the University of British Columbia located in? Is it A. Toronto, B. Vancouver, or C. Montreal? It is B. Vancouver. What is the land area between high and low tide marks? Is it A. coastal line, B. beach, or C. shoreline? It is B. beach. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.